Welcome to our channel. Today we're tackling a common issue many Discord users face, not being able to hear people during calls or chats. Whether you're gaming or just catching up with friends, having clear audio is essential. So, let's go through some steps to fix this problem. First, let's check your Discord audio settings. Open the Discord app and tap your profile picture located at the bottom right of your screen. From there, go to Settings by tapping the gear icon. Once in Settings, navigate to the Voice section. Here, make sure your input and output devices are set correctly and check the volume levels. Next, it's important to ensure that you're using the latest version of the Discord app. Outdated software can sometimes cause audio issues, so make sure to update Discord from the App Store or Google Play Store if necessary. If everything looks good with the settings and the app is up to date, try restarting Discord. Sometimes, simply closing the app and reopening it can resolve unexpected glitches. Give it a moment and see if that helps. Finally, let's check your device permissions. Go to your device's settings and find the permissions section. Ensure that Discord has permission to access your microphone and speakers. If it doesn't, enable those permissions to allow audio to function properly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of not hearing people on Discord. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.